Please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we put up new videos. This recipe can be found in our gluten-free, dairy-free edition of our Dining on a Dime cookbook. Our new lay-flat hardcover with full-color pictures makes gluten-free, dairy-free cooking and baking quick and easy once again. This book is available in print and ebook format, livingonadime.com. All right, for your gluten-free stuffing, just take regular gluten-free bread and let it dry out, and then you're going to break it up into pieces. My onions and my sausage are browned. Now, let me show you how I make my chicken broth. Now, you can use the boxed chicken broth if you want, but what I do is I just use chicken bouillon cubes. It's so much cheaper and it's easier to have on hand because these last forever. If you have turkey broth from your turkey, you can just take some of that out and just use that if you would like also. So I'm going to add my bouillon cubes to get those going. I am going to add my dairy-free butter. Right in there. Let all that get melted. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your bread and just crumble it into a whole bunch of little pieces. Now, if you don't have croutons, don't worry about it. You don't need to necessarily have the croutons. They just add a little bit of extra flavor. And what I do is just add a little bit of seasoning salt if I don't have croutons. Break them up into bite-sized pieces. Then to your bread, you're going to add your sausage and onions, your bouillon and your butter mixture, your salt, your pepper, and I sort of mix that first just because it's hot and I don't want my eggs to cook, so it kind of cools it down just a little bit. Then add your eggs, and I forgot my sage, so all right, and then just get this all stirred together. Then we're going to put it in, oops, let me mix it just a bit more, put in our dish to bake. 350 degrees. Do not put this in your turkey. It is not safe to put stuffing in your turkey. Just bake it outside the turkey. Now you have your wonderful Thanksgiving stuffing and you won't poison yourself with food poisoning.